What's good, YouTube? Man, you see this guy right here? You see this guy right here? I'ma kill him. You wanna tell him what happened, John? You wanna tell him what happened? And now you're not talking. Go ahead, F you. F you. Put that on your vlog, dog. Put that on your vlog, man. Let me tell you, alright, so guys. We walking, right? He dipped off, he ran. I don't know where this guy went. This ran, he just started running for blocks, bro. Like, yo, I didn't see him till like, we on South Street. If you know Philly, you know South Street. We was on like, what was it? It was like 7th and South. I walked always to South Street, crossed the bridge, and then that's when I started seeing this dude, man. Mad as crap, dog. Mad, what you looking at? Mad as crap. I'm walking by myself. I'm like, yo, where is this guy at? So I finally see him at. John, stop playing, dog. So I'm still walking, right? Dog, you play too much, yo. When the game's gonna be over with, yo? You playing, man, you playing. So right, I crossed the bridge, right? Can y'all see me? I'm sorry, y'all. I crossed the bridge and this guy, he pop up out of nowhere. So then I'm trying to talk to him. Why are you following me, sir? Why? Then he sit down on the steps. So I'm at the bottom of the steps, he at the top of the steps sitting down. I'm like, yo, come on. I turned my head for 1 second. He gone. I did not see him. So I crossed the bridge again. I stand at the other side of the bridge. I'm standing for like a good 5-6 minutes, right? Still don't see him. I'm texting him. I'm gonna show y'all the text. Y'all, yeah, all right, y'all can see me. I'm texting him. I'm gonna show y'all the text though. Then, so I walk across the bridge. I'm like, all right, he probably just gonna come back around, right? He didn't come back around. Let's just start right there. I see these people, like I'm from a neighborhood, like around Philly, like they got neighborhoods, and it's like gang, but it's not gang activity. But I'm at the bottom of the steps on the South Street Bridge, and I don't see this guy, but I see like a good 5 or 6 dudes that I know I'm not cool with. I know when it's like it's an on-site type joint, you feel me? So I'm like, oh man, where is John at? Now I text him. I'm gonna show y'all the text, right? I text him a nice long text, right? Y'all can't even see me. I text him a nice long text, and he's still nowhere to be found, Cannon. Still nowhere to be found. Like, I really don't understand that. You got something to say? You got something to say to the people? Oh my. So luckily they didn't see me, so I was cool. So I start walking back up the bridge. At that point I'm heated because, oh, y'all can't see me. At that point, at that point I'm heated because I'm like, yo, what if I would have got jumped, man? And he playing around, singing songs and stuff. So I'm like, I'm going home, man. I called him one last time. He answered the phone. Talking about where you at? Nigga. Y'all know I wanted to kill this dude, dog. I really wanted to put my hands on this dude, but I couldn't. You gonna get? I don't know if y'all heard that, but I'm putting that subtitle in. Excuse me. Long story short, we back together now. I'm about to show y'all where we're going in a second. So, you got something to say? Nope. F this guy, dude. Yo guys, I found something great. Yeah, I'm recording right now. I found something great, y'all. We about to have some fun. I know, that's good, I mean. Yeah. Yo.
Like I'm gonna freaking hurt myself.
Alright. I'm probably like, what the heck is this?
I was going to do it.
Listen, one day, right? One day, y'all just gonna see me on stage, right? And it's gonna be a look at this guy. Oh, that's what you get.
I ain't hurt myself.
Man. One day, right? One day, bro. It was them. You scared?
Somebody over there.
Somebody, no, they did. There was them right there.
They said that over there. I just told you that. Yo. I knew I was hearing stuff.
So I was hearing stuff. Why can't we have fun?
Because this is private property.
I'm bullcrap. I don't see a section doors. I don't see no signs either.
You want to do a Pontiac out here?
What's a Pontiac?
Fighting freaking arguing with cops.
Boy, I knock your neck. I can carry your neck.
I felt like it was somebody looking.
Huh?
I felt like it was somebody looking.
I know, I just couldn't see him. Oh, okay.
You alright?
Uh-huh.
You okay?
But yeah, we just got done skating. I got some Snapchat clips. I ain't bring my camera. But what you doing? I already know. We need some children, dog. Got slide.
Dog.
Nah, should I do it? We doing it last time.
You was on some black. It was black. Dog. I'm just trying to get my point.
Yeah, you sliding, bro. I stopped. Look at my foot. Watch out.
Let your foot go. You ain't going nowhere. You going to track your feet. This ain't doing crap. You pushing. That sucked.
They slow you down. It's like, oh.
Play with that pussy like peekaboo. Play with that pussy like peekaboo. In the field with my hands.
Wait.
In the kitchen cooking curry. Whip it. 30 on me, I ain't worried.
We not booty. Sorry, no. But yo, we is lit out here, man. Yo.
My freaking penis hurt, dog.
Yo, what hurt?
My penis hurt.
Oh man.
All them freaking herpes make me burn.
All them herpes. What the heck?
Oh my God. I can't. I am disgusted.
We might as well walk this way. This is where the festival is.
You talking about the festival? Walk through the festival? Bet. Do it for the culture, bro. Do it for the culture. Do it for the culture. Do it for the culture. Oh, that's a big jump. Yo, I ain't peep how big it was. I ain't peep out. Where is he going? Run up and get your money, nigga. Give me your money, hitter. It's time for our shenanigans. You hear me? That's not gonna happen, bro. You hear me?
You can go right here.
No, you can't. Oh, that's to the bar.
Get into our room.
You're right. You're definitely right. My stomach hurt, man. We gotta put anything in our bags and stuff, man. Alright, we in the hotel. We in the admin's quarters. Hotels don't play. I'm gonna go there. Oh, I didn't know. I know he was. That's why I threw you right around.
Bobby, oh, sorry.
You going up? Okay.
Thank you.
22. No, we just
Walking in the hotels.
walking into hotels, dog. Let's go to the stat. We can't talk too loud. They're probably listening to us. Man, look at these niggas here. Dang. Yard up here.
Oh, wait. Which way was it?
It's this way. Penthouse sweet stuff, man. You gotta be like presidential level to live up here. Okay.
What room was it?
I think it's 2259. So we're going out tonight for the party. We just got steps, bro, steps. John, come here. I'm telling you, this is steps.
Why would this? I'm freaking eligible.
I could sit out.
I'm trying to make
The party. What time is it? The party don't start till 12.
That's what she said.
Percocet. Hey. That's a spider web. I'm cool. Y'all see that? Roof access other side.
our freaking road, dog. What are you doing?
He was bugging, bro. We're gonna wait to the service. You hear me?
Take the freaking elevator. Why is my freaking pants wet?
I'm so lit, bro. I didn't even peep it, bro. So lit. And my stomach hurt. Why are your pants wet? Probably from the bathroom. Yeah, your back. Why are your pants wet? Why the back of your pants so wet?
What?
What's wrong with my undershirt?
What's wrong with your undershirt? Yeah, we're not talking about you. We need to go to the 7th floor. Why?
Sir.
Because I'm dropping my shit off.
Oh, you checked
Checked in. Check that shit in.
Ho, ho, ho.
I checked it in hard. This is really hard. Do you need legs or hard pretzel? It's really
I don't know. I like Philly.
solid. But I don't know where you got it.
I think Florida better though.
They cleared them out. No, they didn't. They were there when we got.
No.
We walked out.
They were not.
They're only tasty cakes, and you went and got real aggressive about it.
Yeah.
Not aggressive.
Go. Stop it. Fuck you guys. Stop it. Get out of here.
Get off of it.
My stomach hurts so bad. I know I shouldn't have drank that drink.
Are you guys here for the concert?
Nah.
We just.
Do you always like? Do you go pro everywhere you go?
Yeah, we're vloggers. Yeah.
Yeah, you're vloggers. That's why.
You have a nice night.
You too. Happy vlogging.
Thank you. I don't take that chance, man. Dog, there's a camera right out there, dog. You know what? YOLO. You go. Yo, I'm not trying to die, bro. I'm 18, you not, dog. They gonna lock me up for trespassing. Yeah, they gonna lock me up for trespassing. So what we doing? Oh, don't tell me you about to do it. Just walk up there smoothly.
As I take this long road up to prison.
That's what I say. Don't stop right there at the camera right
Why the
there.
freak did I do it?
Head down. What's
It's restricted.
See?
Because you gotta go up a ladder.
Okay, let's get out of here. You're not gonna get me.
You like the outright in the wrong way.
Admiral Suite, Benjamin Franklin Suite. All these suites, man. I need to get a suite. I need to be big balling like you. Can we call room service? Hotel operator.
Oh, we should do it for overnight hotel. Just sneaking in there.
Just walking around the whole time.
Yeah.
This hotel not even big. Oh, that's
Somebody gonna invite us in. Some girl or something. I'm smashing.
Bobby.
Yeah.
We living the lit life, man. We living. Oh, we gotta do that. Trying to play me in chess? Nah, I don't even feel like it. Look at this, yo. What?
Bruh, look at this dude.
Yo, your pants.
Like, what is going on? Like,
Show the vlog. Show the vlog. Yo, the back of this man's kneecaps is soaked, bro. Oh, man. You peeing on yourself?
yo, stop playing with me. Like, this don't make no sense.
Why? Your legs sweating?
No, they not sweating.
Yo.
Like, it's one big patch.
Back of your knees is freaking on edge, Cannon. Why the back of your knees on edge, John? I've been recording for 15 minutes. Alright, I don't know what we're doing, right? We're just chilling right now. It is 1:30 black right now. It's 11:40. It's about to be 12 o'clock. We is not home. I live an hour away from here. This is rough. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm thirsty. Are you really trying to play? Why are you trying to play?
I sat down because my freaking pants
Bro, just show the vlog once, bro.
not showing them.
Show the vlog once, man.
Dog. This dude, wait a second.
Yo, I hope I saw that. Yo, come on, show, bro. Show it, bro.
It's like increasing or something, dog.
See what that is, man. Hold on, stand up. I make sure it's not over the whole back of your pants, dog.
It's not, I only feel in one spot. You trying to turn that camera off.
Why? It's like your kneecaps wet. Show this to your vlog, man. They need to see this. Oh, snap. What's good, YouTube? It's the next morning. Yeah, it was a late night last night, man. I got home at like 3 o'clock, man. I'm still tired off of it. Right now, I'm on the phone with John. Yo, John, say what's up to the vlog.
I got herpes and I can't talk right now.
Yo, but last night was lit. I had a good time. Let's have talk time. Let me fix the angle. Let me see, do I look good? I look a mess. I look rough, man. I just woke up not too long ago. But let's talk about plans. Yo, this lighting is terrible. Or is it? Nah, it's chilling. Let's talk about plans for the summer. Alright, so what I plan on doing for the channel this summer, you know, I know I'm gonna be doing a lot this summer. I'm trying to travel as much as possible. I want to expand, you know, over the country or whatever, right? But I started the vlog channel so I can, like, you know, specifically just vlog on the vlog channel. I don't want to put vlogs on my main channel, which is Shuggs Chronicles. I want to vlog every day. That's what I want to do, but I know how I am. So I'm not gonna promise an everyday vlog, but you're definitely gonna catch a vlog every other day. I'm gonna just put it like that. Starting today, you'll see this tomorrow. Today is Sunday. Wait, no. You'll see this today. Today is Sunday, because this is supposed to be Saturday's vlog. But anyway, yeah. So that's the plan. I'm gonna try to vlog every day. If I can't, every other day. And I'm gonna try to make it as lit as possible with John. Right, bro?
Yeah. I'm nutting on myself.
Yo. But yeah, it's getting yeah, what I was gonna say. But yeah, it's about to be summer, so just expect total litness every day. That's a promise. You know, I don't got no outro. I never got an outro for my videos, so like I always say, I want you guys to be safe, to be happy, and to be healthy with your kids. You can make it through anything. I don't even think that's not my outro. I gotta go look at my old videos, man. I don't even know my outro no more, man. It's been a while.
Safe, be positive, and be healthy or something like that.
Be safe, be positive. Look, I don't even know my own outro. But yeah, this is your boy SC, and I'm out. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Peace.
Play with that pussy like peekaboo. Play with that pussy like peekaboo.